So I bought this course around 2 to 3 months ago. I completed this course in 2 months. The course was very good. Instructor was explain everything in detail. So if you are thinking to buy, or you are thinking to learn MERN Stack, you just come on this platform and buy this course. It's very helpful. It will teach you from A to Z, from beginning to master. So I just want to say that uh, if you masters MERN Stack, you come here and buy this course and attend videos regularly. And there are many projects for each topic, so you can understand the basic and masters of that topic. So I just want to say that. And there are many courses on this platform. So if you don't want to learn one stack, you can proceed for other courses. There are too much options. So you just try and be patient for whatever you are learning. So I just want to say thank you for 30 days coding challenge, and just thank you.